When you think of Simsbury landmarks, there's none much sweeter than Tulmeadow Farms. I'm Tom Carroll, your neighbor and local realtor with ROVI Homes. Today, I am here with Don Tuller, the owner of Tulmeadow Farms. Don, thanks for hosting us.
My pleasure.
Don, how long have you and your family been farming these lands?
Tulmeadow Farm has been in continuous family operations since 1768, so we're in our 254th year of family farming.
And what got you into making ice cream?
In the early 90s, we started looking for how to become more of a destination. I'm a dairy guy, so I looked at yogurt, I looked at bottling milk, I looked at making cheese, and we looked at ice cream. But ice cream is a happy product, so we just said, what the heck? Let's
give it a shot.
try.
There you go. That's great. What is your favorite ice cream?
Red raspberry chocolate chip is our kind of signature flavor, it's our top selling flavor. When you add in the vegan flavors that we just started last year, we probably have like 80 or 90 flavors.
So besides ice cream, what else does your farm sell?
So we raise, in the greenhouse, we raise tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, and salad greens. So we also in the field plant tomatoes, peppers, eggplants, basil, squash, a lot of sweet corn, pumpkins, winter squash, gourds. So there are walking trails on the property. So when you have your ice cream, you can
go for a
walk, you know, do a mile out back, and it's beautiful, and it's really striking out there, and the vistas that we have, we feel very lucky to be here. And I mean, when you come to buy an ice cream, you're not only coming for ice cream, but you're also trying to kind of use up your evening a little bit.
Right.
Particularly if you have young kids or whatever. When people come to visit, family members or people come from out of town, they always bring them here.
Nice.
And it just makes me happy.
That's awesome. So, Don, thank you so much for giving us a tour of Tulmeadow Farms. Tulmeadow can be found at 255 Farms Village Road in West Simsbury, Connecticut. I'm Tom Carroll, your neighbor and local realtor with ROVI Homes. Thank you for coming by.